Hi there. Hope you are doing very well and staying very safe. So today in this video, I am going to show you what is use effect and what is use state. So yesterday I have told you that the concept of state balance, right? So today I will show you two hooks about two hooks. Number one is use effect and number two is use state. So if you have remembered that yesterday I have also told that how can you update or modify data and how can you store data actually so that we can use it anywhere we want, right? So let's see that today's video. Let me share my screen. So I hope my screen is visible to you clearly. So today is what is use effect and what is use state. So what is use effect? So use effect is a hook that is used to handle side effect. So now you may question me that what is side effect? So side effect is also works outside the world, not work within the React component. So it is works outside world or just out of React ecosystem. It not work in the ecosystem. So to handle such side effect, we can use effect. So let me show you an example so that you can understand it very clearly. So now here you can see I write here on button and text. Now if I click here, you can see it is also affecting, right? It is also affecting. It is also affecting, right? When I click, it is also affecting. Now here you can one more thing you can see here that yesterday this text was not changed, right? So how it is happening? So that concept is use state. So now it is an empty object in the use effect. Now let's, if you want to render your any component or anything when browser run first time. So in that case you can just pass empty array sign. So like this you can write. So now if I go on the browser, let me refresh the page. Now you can see here when I click here, it is not changing, right? It is not changing. It only runs when browser runs the first time. So if we pass below, pass below, pass below. Let's see how it's work now. Let me refresh the page. So now when I plus below, can you see when it is changing, it is also affecting, right? When I click here, it is also changing. Now we can use here many things like pagination or anything that when component change or below change, then we want to use effect, right? So in this case, we can use effect. Now let's come use state. So yesterday I have told you that how can you update or modify data. So today here you can see here use state. So use state is actually hook that have one variable and one function component. So now you can tell here, ask me what is hook. So hooks are simple JavaScript function that we can use to isolate the reusable part from a functional component. So that means let me show you an example. Let's write here fonts below set use state. So initially below is 1. Now I want to show it on the DOM below. So here you can see below, right? So now you want to use it many times. You can use it. You can use it many times as you want. Let's down here. Now if so I can use this 2 times, right? So reusable. So now I can also update. So yesterday when I click here, it wasn't changing, right? So now today if I click here, it is changing, right? So that means I can update the any component or anything, right? Modify data. So that's all in this video, guys. Thank you very much. I will meet you next day. Thank you.